Good morning. E has got his t-shirt on. I've only got this on, but I'm pretty nippy. Don't know why. Must be working harder. Can you see now how small the garden is? We've got 3 more rows to go, and it's done. 10 flags in that bit. Crazy compared to last job. Jiffy now, but yeah, it's nice. It's gonna proper make the garden feel light, like grey, candle grey. You get 4 shades, and it is nice. It does look nice, but yeah, it can make it look a bit concrete, unless it's like a big area, I reckon, and it goes with a new build. But these sort of houses, I think Rip and Buff, call it Camel or something, where we've got this from, but Rip and Buff, that's it. You just got to use it. It just lightens the front up, curb appeal. Yeah, it's not too bad. Look at it. Boxes out, arms out. See you soon. Excuse the washing line pole, but we've done that area there. 10 flags. It's the smallest patio ever, I think. So we've just started on path. Now we've laid this way, so when you stood down there looking up, there's not just lines. So this splits up the line. But the centre of the gate is not centre of the door. So we've got to do a wider path. It just looks ridiculous. So that gate there goes over there, where normally that gate post would be where that door is, you know what I mean? So we've got a 1.2 path. We'll be staggering that. Same again, like half and half, you know what I mean? So it just stands out, and you can see that it's a path, promotes it as a path. So, but yeah, it's lunchtime now. We're going to have some lunch, and then it's parents' evening tonight, so I've got to get home early. But we should be done on here tomorrow. If not, an hour on Saturday, just brushing in out resin and tidying up. But yeah, easy, but no room. Horrible. See you soon. Right then, there we are for today. Little patio. Nice little seating area, to be honest with you. See how we formed the path with the edgings on the side. And the same is going to happen here where you saw Tom marking out there. Another row paving with a wall on, same as that. And then all this bigger seating area down here. Just got all fiddly cuts up there. Yeah, we've just got all fiddly cuts up there to do, so as we're going, just cutting it, but we need a new blade again. Go through them like hell at a minute. But yeah, tight jobs. Not a fan of it. Van's right next to it, which is good, there's no barrowing, but van is mucky, dusty as hell. And then it just gets splattered all the time with Connie, so you're constantly like washing back end off, you know. Annoying. My little baby is my van, my little baby. But yeah, more laying tomorrow and we will be finished tomorrow. I promise you we're going to stay till 10 o'clock at night. So I'll see you in the morning.